Why are so many companies looking for products to license? Stick around, you'll find out. Hi everyone, I'm Alex Reed, the founder of Invention, an online platform with affordable and free courses, trainings, and guidance for anyone that's looking to bring their product to market. I've been working with product developers for over 5 years, and it's just amazing how more and more companies in today's market are looking for new and improved products to license. Product licensing has really become popular with companies, product developers worldwide, and it's growing at a rapid pace. So, why are so many companies looking for products? Let's check it out. More and more companies are looking for products to license. Here's why. It comes down to the business of innovation. Now, one of the reasons for this popularity of the product licensing business model is the open innovation concept, which is a term you're going to hear a lot in this industry. And basically, it's a business concept that was developed by Henry Chesbrough, which encourages companies to acquire outside sources of innovation in order to improve product lines and shorten the time required to bring products to market, and to market and release internally developed innovations which does not fit that particular company's business model, but could be used effectively elsewhere. Now, he published this book with this concept back in 2003. That's 15 years ago. And let's see what's happened with the market and how right he was. One of the biggest game changers is speed to market. Everything moves so much faster. So, first to market has its advantages. First of all, the product is already in the market for months before another company is aware of it and can even catch up with a knockoff product. The shelf space is already taken, the product is branded with the customers, and the buyers are very reluctant to bring in knockoff products. The changes in the market have really dictated the need for open innovations. And there's two words I like to use: scale and speed. Technology, we all know how much that has expanded and changed and advanced over the years. Transportation, communication, global scale, international business. So technology. The amount of resources worldwide for manufacturing has really expanded over the years, and the improvement and speed of the manufacturing equipment. And then, of course, we've heard all about the design software and hardware that is making big changes in product development, like 3D printing. And then cloud-based software for collaboration and reporting. Reporting has streamlined the way products come to market and stay in the market. And of course, transportation, air, sea, and land. Communications is huge. Cloud-based software for collaboration, smart devices, screen sharing programs for real-time visual collaboration and real-time response, project oversight, and decision-making. This all helps everything move just that much faster and smoother. And then, of course, international business. As the market scales and speeds up, you have more and more types of resources and services helping the market grow and scale. So, how do companies grow? One of the best ways is by adding new products to an existing product line. A product line is basically a family of products in a similar category and often work together. It's usually associated with a brand. And the brand awareness is what drives the customers to continue to buy products that work together in that brand. And by offering more products in that category, that product line, of course, will equal more sales and drive more money to the company. I'll give you an example. When I worked in the gift industry, the Zen Garden was one of our biggest sellers. So we were always looking and thinking and trying to come up with any kind of product that we could add to that line, like Zen soaps or Zen incense. So the buyers of the store knew the success of the Zen Garden and would buy anything else that we offered in that Zen Garden line. Companies also grow by expanding into new categories. So say you have a towel company and they expand into bathroom accessories, sheets, pillows, shower curtains. And sometimes when a company wants to expand into a new category, they'll simply purchase a company that already has successful products in that new category. But whether a company is expanding product lines or expanding into new categories or purchasing a company in a new category, it's one thing they need, and that is products. The more products they can bring into these lines and new categories, the more money they're going to make, the more successful they're going to be. If a company does not take outside innovations, then they have to rely solely on their in-house research and development team. And they research the market, they try to find trends, they come up with ideas for products, and then they design and engineer, manufacture these products. So if a company products only come from in-house, it limits them to the type and number of products that that department can produce. And they have to support and pay and manage that department, whether that product is successful or not. Now, if a company does take outside ideas, then it's like having hundreds of designers and researchers in the market for you, and very low to no cost for unsuccessful products. So that's why more and more companies are opening up their doors to look for outside resources of innovation. The speed, the scale of the market, the ability to grow fast and to expand into other categories, this drives the need for products on a regular basis for these companies. That's going to wrap it up for this video. If you're interested in finding out more about companies looking for ideas, check out our online courses to learn more about how to find and how to submit your product to companies looking for outside innovations. Thanks for watching. I hope you found today's video helpful. Please comment below. We'd really love to hear from you. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button and make sure to click the little bell to hear about any upcoming videos we post here at Invent Insight YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.